everybody. So today I just wanted to talk with you really quick here about the BS story that we give to ourselves, all the bullshit story, because I came back from a flight and I have like a huge jet lag where I barely functioned those couple of days, and I could give excuses all day long on, oh, I'm so tired, I should rest, I will do maybe a video in a couple of days, I can skip a couple of days because I'm so tired, I'm so confused, blah, 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 and so on and so forth. You get that point. So we can give ourselves excuses all day long. Now I have like a very bad day, too much work, I don't know where to put myself in, I don't know where to start, I don't know, and so on and so forth. Oh, poor me, I don't have someone to guide me, and so much excuses that we can give to ourselves instead of finding the solutions to the problems and how can we actually give that a notch and really doesn't give up to ourselves, because when we give up to ourselves we can't actually make progress, we can't actually push forward. And that's where come in the why, your why. And I've talked about it before, your deepest why. When you have your deepest why, when you have your passion, when you have that thing that you're going to after no matter what, this will push you forward in any case. For example, my passion and my drive is to impact as many people as I can. That's why I keep on with those videos. That's why I keep on, no matter what is going on, I'm here every single day. That's where you push yourself forward when you have your drive, when you have your why. I'm sorry, I'm still confused here. When you have your why, that's what will push you forward. And there is a simple trick to that you do it by yourself, or find accountable buddy that can help you, or a mentor if you have, that can guide you through it. And those are the 7 whys by Dean Graziosi. Amazing trick that helped me a lot. And that is, you ask yourself 7 times, why do you do what you do? For example, I do it for freedom, for financial freedom. That's too general. So you go deeper layers. Okay, why do I want this financial freedom? Because I want to my family. Why do you want to help your family? And so on and so forth, until you peel out the 7 layer. That's where you hit the spot when it then. You know it's yours. When you know that then you hit it. Because usually, when I do it with my students, when I did it myself, I cried tears because I got to myself to emotional peak that usually if we don't get to that emotional peak, we don't create that motion, because emotion creates motion. So when you got this strong emotion, that's where you hit that bam, that trigger. That's where you have that drive to keep on going forward. And I see people coming in. Hello, hey Ofer, how are you? So get back to it. So when you ask yourself 7 times, when you get to your deepest emotion, then you trigger something that's beyond like financial freedom or help someone or whatever. Because if it's true resonate with you, that's where your drive never stops. So I would love to hear your thoughts about it. And if you have more questions about it, you're welcome to just comment below, and have an amazing and productive day. And also, if you like this content, give me a thumbs up that I know that you want more of it. And if you're watching on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to never miss out an episode. And I will see you tomorrow right here. That was live on my group. Have a great one.